Hey YouTube, what's up? You guys ever have like meat on a stick, shish kebab, or what the Greeks call souvlaki, anything like that? Okay, you know what? Check this out. This is camera on a stick. See that? You see that? Look at that. This is a Ozark Trail trekking pole, walking pole, whatever you want to call it. It's telescopic. Ugh! That wasn't supposed to happen. Take two. All right. And you just use it for walking around. But the point is, I thought, with these little cameras, whether they're the GoPros or NG Primes or Camp Park cameras, I thought, hey man, why not just mount one of these to one of these walking sticks, right? So then you go wherever it is you're going, right? You got your walking stick, you're going up the hill, blah, blah, blah. You stop. You don't have to open up your camera bag and pull all that stuff out. Sometimes, you know what, you miss a lot of shots because you're too lazy to do that. But your camera's already on here, so you just switch it on. You probably won't be able to hear that go on, but yeah, hold on. Do. Camera's on. And it's recording, right? Let's record something, okay? So I'm watching you watching me. Ooh. It just makes it so much easier, and you can basically, it's a monopod, and you can rotate it around, take a wide panoramic. You could use it as a selfie stick, a really big selfie stick, depending on how long the legs extend on your particular trekking pole. But really a great idea, especially if you're out there. Hey, record yourself, record what you see, take it back, show your friends, show your family. A life worth living is a life worth recording. That's it for this particular segment. Thank you all for watching. Just use the regular stuff and stick one of these on your trekking pole and go out this summer and walk around, see places, do things. Have a nice evening. Thank you for watching. We're out. Okay, what do you think of that?
Cool.
Yeah, I had to do that. I thought, it's right here. It's
easier for people.
Yeah, it is a really cool. It is a really cool video, and I hope more people do this. I think this is fun. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think the camera's still running. Say goodnight, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
I don't think they could hear you, but talking to the microphone.
Good night, everybody.
Ooh, very nice. Thank you. Good night, everybody. Ooh, that was recording too.